Can you solve this in your head in under 5 seconds? 387 plus 456. Most people can't do this, but after this video, you will master this trick. I'm going to show you one simple trick that makes mental math insanely fast. No calculator, no stress. The trick is simple. Round the numbers, solve quickly, then adjust the answer. Sounds easy. Let's test it. Example 1, addition. Take 387 plus 456. Instead of solving it directly, round them. Round 387 to 400, and rounded 456 to 460. Now it becomes 400 plus 460 is equal to 860. But we added extra. We increased by 13 and 4. That's 17. So subtract it. 860 minus 17 is equal to 843. So the final answer is 843. Done. Faster and easier. You're not guessing. You're just correcting the small error you created. Example 2, multiplication. Now try this. Multiply 48 by 5. Round 48 to 50. Multiply 50 times 5 is equal to 250. We added 2 extra. Multiply 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Now subtract. 250 minus 10 is equal to 240. Simple. Your brain struggles with messy numbers, but loves clean ones like 50 or 400. This trick uses that to your advantage. Next time you're shopping or calculating totals, try this. You'll be faster than everyone around you. Try this one in your head. 199 plus 302. Comment your answer, and I'll show you even faster tricks in the next video.